Later, now we run a single turn of winding through the secondary of the transformer. It was only one turn in that picture anyway. We plug in the primary of the transformer. Ouch! Damn it, the earth is... Did they pop the breaker? Yeah, it was popped. That's why we don't do this at home. We do it at Kuman's office. We are a bit more careful and we plug in the primary. And we should be getting a low voltage from the secondary. What do we have is 64 volts only. That's not enough to keep the nails. That would be done and shorting the output. 0.6 amps to 8.7. Yeah, I would say yeah, I would say my transformer is probably too small for this. I have drawn a ton of current from larger transformers and melted stuff with it. Perhaps the gold transformer was fewer primary makes it less resistant. You know what this thing does? They say, electronics. I don't know. They say, my microphone. When the bottle that's quite large. You plugs there. What I got everything in the house is behind the train. Hours times 60 minutes times 60 seconds is equal to almost 173 megajoules of energy. 27,000 people passed, which means energy per person is equal to 173 megajoules divided by 27,000, which is almost 6,400 joules. Let's say everyone took 2 seconds to pass through this thing, so power for each person is 6,400 joules divided by 2 seconds, or 3,200 watts. Considering, say, a large Mickey watts that claim it to go through those gates with such ease, it would be more like, I keep seeing these on every home here. What are they? Oh, these are wire balls. I have no idea what these balls are.